You can now add live photos to Reels. I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! So live photos are basically photos that you take that have a little bit of a video to them as well. So like, say I take this photo and it's live. When I preview it and I hold down, I preview it and I hold down, I can see like a second before it and a second after it. To make sure you have your live photos on, you can go to your photos and then these three dots here on the side, or you can just swipe up and then you're gonna see live right there. So that's gonna turn live on and then that's gonna turn live off. When you're taking photos, taking that live photo just gives you that extra, because if you go to edit it, you can adjust which clip. So like it gives you all the options. Like if this is the nicer clip, I can make that my key grip and then that is my photo. So it just gives you a little bit more control with your photos. Now, and then when you go into Instagram and you go into your profile, you can click on Reel, start new, and then you'll see these little circles in the corner. That means it's a live photo. So if I add this and then I add some more live photos, so that one has some live photo, that's a live photo. This is some behind the scenes from when I was filming a speaker and then I was filming some YouTube videos. There we go. I got a few live photos in there. I press next. I usually skip this part because it doesn't really usually sync. So I press next and then you can see they're like little videos. So you can see their photos, but they also have that live element. So it's like a second before and a second after I take the photo and they are in here. I can edit this video. I can hold, push down and drag to change the order of the clips so that it makes sense for me however I want to add those. I can shorten these and so just have a portion of the whole live photo doesn't have to be in there. And then what I can also do is I can add some audio. So I can add music to that. Great. And then I have a nice reel with it has moving, so it's like videos, but they're actually photos that I've used to it with music that I can easily put together and make a reel out of live photos.